stand the guard while I'm setting up targets. 8-inch in front of the torso. To go the different way, take the high road. Winchester 94 off the log, 250 yards. I hit low, right under, almost the center. You know, big hole. I must have either missed right then or missed yesterday when I took the headshot, or that one notch sight adjustment is a lot greater than I thought it was going to be. I'm going to put on the third notch and take another shot. It's low and I misjudged the wind a bit, but only by a slight bit. I'm going to take another shot because I held low that time, and this time I'm just going to hold like a right on, maybe a little bit high. Yeah, that last shot